Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter shrimp. Start by patting shrimp dry and seasoning with salt and pepper, then heat a skillet until hot. Add butter and garlic, sear shrimp quickly for a caramelized crust, finish with lemon juice and parsley, and serve immediately over rice or pasta. Keep heat high and cook shrimp just until opaque to avoid rubbery texture, and taste for seasoning before plating. Trim tails if you prefer and pat shrimp completely dry to promote browning. Season simply with salt, pepper, and optional smoked paprika for depth. Mince garlic and zest a lemon to preserve bright aromas. Melt butter slowly and infuse with garlic briefly, then increase heat to sear shrimp in batches for an even crust. Add lemon zest and chopped parsley at the end to lift the sauce and finish with a final squeeze of lemon. Heat a heavy skillet until shimmering and add butter, then add garlic and let it bloom briefly. Place shrimp in a single layer and sear quickly, about 1 to 2 minutes per side until opaque and just cooked through. Remove shrimp and deglaze the pan with lemon juice or a splash of white wine to loosen flavorful brown bits. Return shrimp to the sauce briefly to coat, then sprinkle parsley and serve hot over rice or pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.